cùng nhau cùng lớn lên chung phường, đi học ta cùng đi chung một đường, rồi cứ thế từng ngày chẳng biết từ bao giờ ta đã vẫn vương nụ cười đó và ánh mắt đó làm tớ thấy khó chịu lắm ý, nhưng có sao ta vẫn cứ thích ngắm hoài.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Prom season is here finally, and I think this video will help you guys a lot because I will show you the tips for the makeup to last for a whole night long, and I will have another kind of prom hacks that I'm sure that it will help you guys. And without further ado, let's get started. I can't stress you enough that prepping your skin before foundation is extremely important if you want your skin to look flawless and the makeup to last for a long time. I love the tackiness of this moisturizer because I know the foundation will adhere to it. If you have seen my other videos, this is my favorite foundation so far in regard to the coverage and how long it actually stays without having to retouch. Don't forget the neck and the ears. This is a new concealer that I got from MAC called the Pro Longwear Concealer. To be honest, I love everything about it. Apply it to the same areas that I did in the video. By the way, I just found out that when blending foundation or concealer, if you press it slowly but a bit harder on the skin, the concealer or foundation will be more nicely blended and will last longer. In today's video, I'm gonna do the baking techniques. This air-spun loose powder works amazingly, despite the fact that it smells kinda like baby powder. It's translucent, so you don't have to worry when taking pictures during prom night. It won't flash back and make you look like a ghost. I apply a generous amount on the area from the sides of my nose to the whole under eye, a bit more on my chin and my forehead. Then I will leave it on my face while doing the eye makeup. I use the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot as a base for the eye makeup. I normally blend it with my ring finger because I feel like it gives out the best result. Then use the loose powder to set. Now, for the actual eye makeup, I will start off by applying the color Shy from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette on the whole eyelid. Remember to make use of the area you have between your eyes and your brows. Then, I'll use the shade Love Letter in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette at the two corners of the eyes, leaving the center blank. This is the hollow eye technique, which helps to brighten up and make your eyes stand out. Remember to blend it out later on so there is no harsh line. Go back to the Huda palette, use the color Man-Eater and the same motion. When doing this technique, it's better to use a compacted flat brush so it's easier to pack on the color. Then, I use the color Angelic at the center of the eyes. I think it's best applied by finger.
Yo, it's all good. We can take it to the court right now. I think I can take you out with the street clothes on, baby.
Go back with Man-Eater. Remember, blending is key. I applied NYX glitter primer on the same place where I put the shimmer color. Then put some fairy dust aka rose gold glitter on there. If the glitter got messy, just use a fluffy brush to flake it away. This is, hands down, the best eyeliner I have ever had. I just bought the second one. In this video, I used the old one as I have been using it for a while. It seems quite dry, but trust me, it's really black, matte, easy to use, precise, and non-smudging. And I have used it for 8 months before it started to dry a little bit.
just wanna see me right now. She just wanna see me right now.
Now, I put some Eclipse powder on the brush and simultaneously dust away the excess powder that I used for baking. Then, I use what's left on the brush to set the face. I pack a bit more powder on the T-zone because that's where my face tends to get oily. Then, I mix Shy and Love Letter to apply on the lower lash lines. To intensify the color, I use a more compacted brush to apply the color Man-Eater. Next step, to really define it, I use a thin flat brush to apply the same color on the closest part to the lash line. Go back to Angelic to highlight the inner corners. I tight line my eyes using the Inglot gel eyeliner. Apply it to the bit of skin under the upper lash line. You can totally see the difference. After putting on some false lashes, I use the Maybelline Falsies waterproof mascara for the lower lashes. This helps to open up your eyes even more. Moving on to nose contour, I use the Color Warm taupe to blend two lines on two sides of the nose bridge. But don't blend it on the real line. Try to get the two lines a bit closer together so your nose will look taller and smaller. Then, I shades a bit on the upper sides of the nose. I also contour the bottom of the nose as I have quite a big nose tip. Doing this will snatch it further. Next step, I pack this yellow powder on the sides of the nose bridge so that the real sides will kind of be like invisible, and voila! I just had a free nose job. I also used some of that yellow powder to clean up the contour. After that, I mixed these two shades together for the face contour. Doing the same 3 golden lines technique that I showed you in one of my previous video, I'll link it in the description box, so be sure to check it out for further details. I focus on the outer part of the face because it really makes my face look smaller. Doing this for the V-line. And also blend it to the forehead so the face won't look dull. Moving on to blush, I use this pink color from the Morphe 9B palette and blend it to the apple of my cheeks. Make sure to blend it further with the contour lines so that there will be no boundary left and the makeup is more put together. It was a gloomy day when I was filming this video, so the highlight did not show as much as in real life, but you will see it later on in this video. I highlighted the Cupid's bow in order to make my lips stand out when I put on the liquid lipstick. At first, I planned to do gradient lips with blurry lip line, but then I decided to overline my lips and give myself a free lip injection. Final setting step to really lock in the makeup. Ooh, look at that highlight, girl! So we're done with the makeup part. I think the other thing that you should consider apart from makeup is how you smell that night. So I just got these 3 items from Boots. It came in a set and it's for about £55 if I remember exactly. So I think for it to work in the best form, in the best way, I think you should take a shower with this uplifting shower gel and then use the luminous body lotion to apply to your body, because when your skin is moisturized, the scent will keep for a longer time. And then in the last step, spray some of this perfume. It's the Daisy Dream Marc Jacobs. I think it's called Forever or something. I'm in love with the scent of this perfume. It's because it's kind of like, it smells really fresh, and then it has a bit of like sweetness added to it. So it is gonna be the perfect way for you to seduce your prom-mate this year. You're welcome. Oh, don't rub it. Just like tap like this. It will. If you rub it, you will rub away all the scent. So there will be no effect. Okay, that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to click the like and subscribe button down below and follow me on Instagram. And see you guys in my next video. Toodles!